Hi everyone, so I'm very happy to be on Radio Free Asia today, and I take this opportunity to wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan people around the world a very, very happy and blessed Tibetan New Year. God bless you all. And I am a profound believer in the power of kindness, love, and genuine compassion for others. I have tried to live my life by these values, and I found a great peace and joy in helping others. Something His Holiness teaches us every single day. So, this new year, my wish is that you will stay true to your Tibetan Buddhist values of kindness and become a true catalyst of change in this world. So, God bless you. Losar Tashi Delek, my friends.